Wow.
Can you imagine getting that?
Yeah, it's wild.
Just pulling it out of the water. Yeah, some nice weather maybe the last couple of days to be out and about and doing some fishing or at least going hiking, just trying to enjoy the outdoors. Lower humidity, and we've had a lot of sunshine as well, but we are getting ready to go through a pattern change. In fact, this morning we've got flash flood watches to our north and to our west out across mainly west central Illinois back into northern Missouri. That is where we expect the heaviest rain for the next few days to fall. If there's some good news in our forecast, it is that we've lowered some of the rain chances for our area, as we've seen some of the heaviest, most widespread rain we think is going to occur likely shift just to our north and west. Now you'll see a humidity bump this afternoon, and there's a chance for a few showers and storms to move in from the north and west later on this afternoon, and more chances for some scattered showers and storms on Friday, especially into parts of southern Illinois. The highest chances here not only today but through the weekend will likely be along the I-64 corridor, with chances lowering farther to the south. But this pattern will continue through the weekend and likely even into much of the early part of next week. Now this morning we are tracking some showers and storms well to our north and west back into Iowa, just now starting to move into northwest Missouri. We need to keep an eye on this complex of storms. All indications are that it's going to drop through northeast Missouri, west central Illinois, and then start to weaken as it approaches our region later on this afternoon. This is about 4 p.m. Notice showers and storms trying to work their way in. They kind of just fall apart as they move into our area. But as we work our way into Friday morning, there is a chance for some more showers and storms. Notice the focus here, though, is likely going to be in some of our northern counties, and then continuing that trend even into the weekend. Lots and lots of heavy rain. If you're doing any traveling this weekend up I-57 or up I-55 closer to the St. Louis metro area, they're talking about a tremendous amount of rainfall central Illinois back into central Missouri. We thought that may work its way into our area, but more and more signs are going to keep that to our north and to our west. Storm Prediction Center today highlighting parts of our northwest counties, say from about Mount Vernon to Carbondale over towards Fredericktown, Missouri, in a level 1 for a risk for severe weather. So I can't entirely rule out an isolated strong storm. Same thing in here for Friday. Notice that risk showing up across southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. We'll continue to keep you up to date there, but 3 to 5 inches, and that's on average. We could see some totals even higher than that to our north. I've lowered some of the rainfall totals. This is through Sunday, about a ½ inch to an inch north of Route 13, even less than that to the south. Live view in Mount Vernon this morning, 67 degrees. Dew points are on the climb. Yesterday morning, we had dew points in the upper 40s. This morning, they're running about 60. And not only is the humidity climbing, but so is the temperature. 87 today, 89 tomorrow, and in here on Saturday. Of course, with showers and storms, lots of outdoor events going on this weekend. Make sure you've got that Storm Track 3 app to stay up to date. So a chance for a few showers and storms late in the day, about a 40% chance, mainly into parts of southern Illinois. Scattered showers, scattered storms in the forecast through the weekend and into the early part of next week. But again, there is some good news there, Evie, that we are going to be seeing at least some of the heaviest rain likely stay just to our north and to our west. We're going to cross our fingers that that's how it all plays out, and we can get some of those outdoor events planned this weekend in.
All right. Thank you, Nick.